Getting paid on Cashapp with Temu is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need to click on Google Chrome to open it. Then you should type Temu in the search bar. After that, click on the Temu shop for clothing, shoes, jewelry, beauty, and more website link. Next, click on the sign in button to create an account on the Temu website. On the Temu website, you'll find various options such as safe payment, secure logistics, secure privacy, and purchase protection. Scroll down to explore numerous products including bags, hand fans, watches, and more. To see more products, continue scrolling down or use the search bar to find a specific product you're interested in. If you wish to transfer money from Temu to Cashapp, follow these steps. Link your Temu account with the Cashapp website. To do this, search for Cashapp in the Google search bar and click on the Cashapp website link. Once the Cashapp dashboard is open, click on the three lines to access a menu with various options. Click on the Login button to log into your Cashapp account. After successfully logging in, proceed to link your preferred payment method by selecting it from the available options. Following these steps will enable you to get paid on Cashapp using Temu.